Alright, y'all. I'm gonna replace another peg, my front pegs today. I replaced the back ones already. You can see here was the stock ones, and these are the ones I put on in case Jennifer rides with me. So, big difference. She sat on it. We haven't taken any rides with her on the back yet, but she sat on it, and obviously, as you can tell, be a lot more comfortable. But today, I'm gonna replace the front ones. Alright, y'all. Today, I'm gonna replace my front foot pegs. I got some of these IMS Adventure 2 pegs, and they are huge. So this is the box they came in, and here is the difference. You can see, I think this is like 5+ inches long and 3+ inches wide, and this is the same brand. I guess the previous owner, because I bought this used with about 5,000 miles on it. I put these on. They're nice, but when I was out riding, I found myself wishing for my pegs were bigger. So these also come in the Adventure 1 without this additional piece up front, but I said the bigger the better because I'm a big boy. I probably weigh about 290 at the moment. So I'm gonna put these on and see how they do. Let's see how this goes, but I'm excited to have them. Because what I hear is like people are more comfortable, especially I'm new to this whole off-road gig, so I want to be a little more comfortable when I'm standing. So all right, let's get after it. So I know there's just a cotter pin down here. Can't see shit because it's dark over here on the side of my bike. But let's see how we can do this. Actually, I would like to save that cotter pin. Don't know why, because I don't know if I have one this big though. Alright. I got both of the little prongs out. There it is. Oh, sticky now. There we go. Cotter pin out. Got this tiny little hammer. Let's see here, the washer came off that piece. There we go. This should be interesting. Try not to lose that spring. Oh gosh, this little beast. Wow. Look at that shit. Holy smokes. That is so much bigger. My God. Well, that washer's a little funky, but I don't care. I have no interest in replacing it. Make sure that's in all the way. I don't know if I should use that. We'll try it. I'd like to turn that a little. Except it's turning the wrong way on me. Move it a little. Come on now. Maybe I should straighten this cotter pin out. I'll try to reuse it. Thing is, I have some little cotter pins, but I don't think I have one this big. So I'm gonna try to reuse this one. If it don't work, I'll have to head to Ford Home Depot or Lowe's up the street to grab some those. I may do that eventually anyways, but for today, the purpose of this, we're gonna use the same one. At least that's the plan, y'all. And I think we should be able to. It's not wanting to go through there though. It's a little annoying. Trying to be really gentle with it, y'all. I think it's going through. This is a lot farther through that time. There we go. It's fully seated. And bring this shit back. We're doing the bandage snap. Except I don't want to snap it. It's bent. I'm going to spin this around a little so I can bend the other side. Alrighty. Well, I think we're good to go, y'all. Cotter pin on, pedal on. That is a beast. So, where's the old one? Look at that shit. That is a huge difference, my God. So now, I'll do the other side. I will be squared away. So it wasn't too bad. Took a few minutes because my damn cotter pin fought with me. But alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I wasn't gonna film the right side, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that because it's a little bit different. So it's like a, what is this thing? I think it's a 13 mil down there at the bottom. There's no cotter pin, which I'm glad, because that thing was a pain in the ass on the left side. So this is because there's a brace over here that they put on. I forget what they call that. Because these pegs apparently were known for breaking off the stop brace. So luckily when I bought it, the previous owner had put this on her. And so I'm going to take this off this side. And then we'll replace this side with the right peg. So there's that. I don't know what all is over here. There's this, it looks like this big ass washer. Hopefully it's easier than it. Oh snap. There's a washer, then the brace, and a nice fat spacer. I'm gonna pull this out gently. So I'd like to leave all that pretty much together. And it's gonna have to, there it goes. Because then there's a big spacer on top. And now I believe it's just the spring and the washer on the top. I'm doing this slow because I don't want this spring to fly out and go crazy. Yeah, this one's a lot bigger. It's a longer because of the spacers and because of that brace on this side. Now you can't see because my fat hands are in the way. But man, this one has threads on it and it doesn't like to be pulled out. So, I'm gonna have to unscrew it. There we go. Alright. There's that little stop pedal. Stop peg. I keep calling it a pedal because the bicycles. And then, there we go. Let me get the fat spacer in there. There's fatty. Man, this is way easier than the other side. Because with no cotter pin. Look how quick that shit was. Ah, much better. Even the spring just stayed put. Now we'll tighten this bad boy up. Let's see here if I can. Oh, that's pretty. Alrighty then. Okay, yeah, I tightened it a little too tight because now it's binding. Could back that out a bit. Shouldn't be that tight. There we go. Let me try it one more turn and see if it still binds. I don't know how loose I want it. It might be a little too tight. And again, you have to do it to your preference, but there we go. So, right one was a lot quicker because there's no cotter pin to mess with. I guess if I'd had a new cotter pin on the other side, it would have been easier. But yeah, these things, I'm excited. I'm gonna try them out. All right, y'all. IMS Adventure 2 Footpegs. on a 2017 Africa Twin DCT. I'm excited. You can also see I put this trigger rear brake lever on the other day. It's basically the same size, pretty much the same shape as the other one, but it has this flexible tip there. But looks better, felt better when I tried it out. So, alright y'all, holla later.